So this week I focused on two different things. One is getting the melee combat kind of dialed in. So what I did for that was the melee weapon is now built into a data table. So I don't spawn a new weapon for each one. I just have a list of all the attributes and all the meshes, and then I just populate that to the only melee weapon that exists, which is spawned at birth. And here is the data table. So it's already starting to give me a feel for like the way I name the swords and different things is kind of like giving me a sense of maybe some of the humor or style the game's gonna be. And I've got damage, attack delay, attack distance, knockback. I implemented knockback, so now let me just play it and show you. So right now if I have the keys, so you can kind of see. So here, this hammer will knock back. It's pretty powerful. We can go with the less powerful hatchet. You can see they kind of get knocked back. And so this week was mostly about I wanted to get melee dialed in. Enemies are still a little too strong, like too much health. Also, I've started on some other enemies types. So a lot of focus on getting the melee, and then the other thing is I've setting up these will be cave slash dungeon entrances, and so that looks like, wait for it, this. So this is the first pass at a dungeon, and I made some mushrooms. We got these glowing crystals, and you can also see that there's chests that you can't. They're not operative. It's just kind of to give an idea. And it looks like the nav mesh needs some work, but okay. Anyway, so that's this is sort of like a simple, but I think it shows some of what I want to do. For the caves, you'll have different, you have the, I'm thinking similar to Cat Quest, how they had a lot of little caves, and each cave has maybe one or two chests in it and some enemies to go through, and it has an open world feel. I'm still trying to decide, do I want to have like a 45-degree camera that you run around with, or is it flat straight on? So anyhow, that's the update for this week, and kind of what I've been working on.